is for asparagus, tasty and tall. A is for broccoli, the best of them all. C is for carrot, so crunchy to lunch. E is for daikon, we love it for lunch. E is for eggplant, purple and cool. F is for fennel, it flavors our stew. G is for garlic, it makes our food young. H is for horseradish, tickles your tongue. I is for iceberg lettuce, so crispy and bright. J is for jalapeno, spicy but nice. K is for kale, so curly and green. L is for leeks, the soup making queen. M is for mushrooms, small, big and round. N is for Napa cabbage, crunchy and sound. O is for okra, slimy and fun. P is for pumpkin, in pies it will stay. Q is for quinoa, a seed we can eat. R is for radish, a spicy retreat. S is for spinach, strong as can be. T is for tomato, red, ripe and sweet. U is for ubi, a purple surprise. V is for veggies, so good for your bite. W is for watercress, fresh in a stream. X is for chigua, a melon so sweet. Y is for yams, soft, orange and fine. Z is for zucchini, a veggie divine. Now you know your veggie ABCs. Eat them up and grow strong like trees.